Good afternoon, I'm Paul the Tech Giant, and what a time it is to be alive if you are an owner of an LG C1 or G1 OLED, because the latest software update not only brings a new submenu with new settings, but, wait for it, the ability to finally turn off that no signal message. Now we've got a lot to cover in this video because it is such a big update, so let's get the boring stuff out of the way first. So version number of this software update. So if we do a long press on the settings button, go to support and then software update, we can see the new version is 03.20.16, and that is coming from the previous version of 03.15.95. Just quickly looking on LG's website then, and we can see that software version number just there. And if we scroll down, strangely enough, it just says improvement, fixing minor bugs in software. But more importantly, we've got the model list there. So as we can see, we are looking at all the different sizes of the C1 there and also the G1 models. Now let's move on to something that so many of us have been asking for and LG have finally delivered. So fair play LG, and that is the ability to remove the no signal box. So if you've got an external device connected to the TV, such as this Skybox, and you turn it off so the TV is no longer receiving a signal from it, we will then get the artwork pop up and that annoying no signal box. But now, if we grab our remote control and press on that red button, we can make it go away. But if you want to put it back on again, you simply press it again, and there you go. So on and off as you wish. Now, one question you may be asking is, what happens if you turn the TV off and then back on again? Will it revert back? Well, let's try it out. So let's turn the TV off. Now let's turn on my Skybox and the TV as well. And now let's turn off that Skybox once again. No, it has stayed the same, so we haven't got to keep pressing that red button every single time. So that is great news. Now, I'm sure many of you would have been over the moon if that's all there was to the update, but no, there is more. So if we grab our remote control and just press on the settings button once, go to the quick settings, we scroll down to the bottom, we can see the new OLED Care. And there is another way of getting into this if you wish, which you can do a long press on the settings button and then go down to support, and then you will find that OLED Care just there. And as we can see, we have got three categories in this submenu. So we've got Care Picture Settings, Device Self-Care, and OLED Panel Care. Now, some of these settings have been moved from other locations in the settings menu, but we also have some new things thrown in as well. So let's first start off then with Care Picture Settings. So if we go into this then, we have four options. We have Off, Comfort Mode, Theatre Mode, and Kids Care Mode. Now you may be asking, well, what are they for? Well, let's find out. If we go up to the top and to the question mark, it will tell us. Now in here, it tells us about OLED Care. It says it provides various premium care services for OLED TV users. So Care Picture Settings. It sets the screen mode suitable for your viewing pattern. It does go on to say that Picture and Select mode cannot be set when using Care Picture Settings, so please bear that in mind. So first off, we have Off, which says it all really, just means it's off. Then we have Comfort Mode. Display the picture with normal contrast, brightness and sharpness levels. Then we have Theatre Mode, suitable picture for movies, and then Kids Care Mode. It adjusts the blue light to make the screen easier for children to view. Right, let's next take a look at Device Self-Care. Now in here, we've got some new stuff. So we've got Memory Optimizer. We have Screen Self-Diagnosis, sound self-diagnosis and energy saving. So some of that has moved from other areas, but this memory optimizer, let's check out what this does. So again, clicking on the question mark just there and moving down. So it says device self-care. It provides multiple features to optimize the TV's condition. Memory optimizer. Optimize your TV by cleaning up unused apps or unnecessary memory. So this is great. That's basically going to clear the cache on the TV and hopefully speed up those menus. So let's actually click on that memory optimizer then, and let's run that function. Press start. And it does say there, this function optimizes TV status by deleting unused apps or unnecessary memories. Run this feature periodically, and that's done already. So yeah, it doesn't take long at all. Now, just below memory optimizer, we have screen self-diagnosis, and we've seen this before, where basically just pops a picture up on the screen, asks you to look at it. Does it look good? Yes or no, simple as that. And you know, if it doesn't, you've got problems, but that looks fine to me. And we also have one for the sound as well. So we've got sound self-diagnosis there. Again, what this will do is just run a bit of sound, ask you, does it sound okay or not? Yes, no, that sort of thing. And finally, in this list, we have the energy saving. Again, we've seen this before. So again, knock that off. I always do, because it just ruins the brightness on the TV. And then we've got auto power off and screen off. Again, we've seen those before. And finally, we then come to the OLED panel care section. So let's just click on that. And again, we've got pixel cleaning, screen move, adjust logo brightness, which again, we've all seen before, but this time we've got another thing. We've got care recommendations, and that is ticked on at the moment. It says, care recommendations, it recommends picture settings suitable for eye strain or viewing environment by analysing viewing patterns. So I'm guessing what this is going to do, it's over time, it will learn what you're doing. Maybe if you're watching the TV in a dark room, it will maybe use that brightness sensor to see that, you know, you're in a dark environment, but maybe you've got the brightness up a bit too high, and it may suggest to maybe turn it down a little bit or select one of those new options there. So yeah, all good. Now, if there's one thing that I've learned from this update, and that is that LG do listen to what their customers are saying. And it's a reason why you should hit up the comments section if there is something that you do not like about the TV and you'd like to be changed. And it would seem that this time, you know, things have changed for the better. And dare I say it, this channel could have been an influence on seeing that no signal box being removed, because I have mentioned it time and time again in my worst things about it video. And I know you guys have said about it in the comments section. So you never know. We could have brought about this change, and yeah, I'm chuffed that it's actually happened. And for once, gets a big thumbs up from me, this update. And hopefully this is a step in the right direction. Hopefully, if we ask enough, you never know, LG might even implement it on older models. And yeah, again, hit up that comment section if you've got an older model and bust their balls enough and we could see change. Now, if you've appreciated this video today, which I'm sure you have, I've got two favours to ask. First is, if you are looking to make a purchase from Amazon, then please could you do it via my Amazon affiliate link. Now, you could buy anything you want via Amazon, and if you go through my Amazon affiliate link, means that I get a very small percentage of that sale back to me as Amazon's way of saying thanks to basically promoting them. And it doesn't cost you a single penny. So if you're looking at buying some new tech over the Black Friday, then please use my affiliate link. And finally, if you have appreciated this video today, spare me 1 second of your time to just give me a thumbs up. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.